right, we're starting off with a party size of our original Ruffles on our sheet pan. We got a few of those chips going off the deep end, but that's no problem. The dogs will get it. Now I'm gonna come in with my mild cheddar cheese shreds, and we're gonna sprinkle this right on top of our Ruffles. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious game day snack. It's so easy just to throw together and put it in the oven, and it is addicting. So we're gonna go ahead and use this whole bag of mild cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you like, but I find that the mild cheddar goes great with these flavors. A little bit too much right there. We need to get these corners too, right? All right, next I'm coming in with 10 pieces of already cooked bacon. I just bought the pre-cooked bacon so that this could be super easy. And we're cutting up our bacon pieces right on top of our cheese. This is gonna be so good, you guys. I absolutely love chips. I love cheddar cheese, and I love bacon. And the next ingredient we're gonna add to this is just gonna really blow your minds because it is gonna add the perfect game day flavor. So let's go ahead and chop up all of this bacon so we can get to it. Now that we have all of our bacon cut and spread out, I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna grab 1 pound of shredded chicken. And in our chicken, we're gonna add our medium buffalo sauce. This is the Buffalo Wild Wing sauce, and we're gonna go ahead and put a generous amount of this sauce. Now, if you don't like buffalo sauce, you can do like a creamier kind of sauce, a ranch, a whatever you like, but I personally love buffalo. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a glove on so that we can get this mixed together. And we're just gonna go in and get that buffalo sauce all over our shredded chicken. Now you can use canned chicken, you can use a rotisserie chicken. I just got the Kroger shredded chicken that's already pre-cooked. I like things to be super easy, especially for the Super Bowl. Pre-cooked bacon, pre-cooked chicken. We don't have to worry about, thawing out the chicken, getting it out of the freezer. No moms will be mad about that. And then this looks perfectly mixed. Okay, so we're gonna bring back our sheet pan, and you know it, we're gonna put our buffalo chicken all over our sheet pan. I told you we were gonna add some game day flavors. Buffalo sauce is the flavor for game day.
Ooh, the aroma is outrageous.
Oh yeah, and I like to wear a glove when I'm doing this because I don't wanna, accidentally touch my face and get that buffalo sauce on my face and, start crying. All right, so let's get our chicken on this. All right, now this is ready. I have my oven set to 350, and it's gonna be in there for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my, that buffalo sauce smells absolutely incredible. Okay, now these are not done yet. I am gonna grab my Hidden Valley Ranch. You can use a homemade ranch if that's what you prefer, but I wanted to keep it easy. You guys know the drill. And we're gonna do a slight drizzle of ranch right on top. This is optional. I just find that it really pairs nicely with the buffalo. You could also do a blue cheese dressing, but I'm a ranch girly personally. And last but not least, some green onion. These flavors are just gonna go so beautifully together. I already freshly diced our green onion, so we just gotta sprinkle it on there. Doesn't that look so good, babe?
Oh my gosh, I love that you added the ranch on there. I'm gonna eat all this.
Yeah. Okay, and it is time to dig in. Game day snack. And this is how I'm gonna serve it. And then this is some good old finger food. I wanna make sure to get some of that buffalo chicken, bacon, the ranch. Ooh! Okay, it's a little messy. Make sure you have napkins on the side. Oh my, that is so delicious. Wow, you have to try it.